They keep coming southeast. Yeah. Try to catch you. Try to catch us.
स्प्रिंग में पर वो मेरे हिसाब से
पोर्टल में जा रहे हैं, पोर्टल जा रहे हैं।
आ गए क्या? कैच करो, एक दो को पकड़ो। माउंट अप, माउंट अप, माउंट अप। You don't stay too far. Then don't catch if you're too far.
पकड़ लिया मैंने एक,
They're leaving, bro.
डिसमाउंट भी कर दिया, डिसमाउंट कर दिया मेरे पे ऑफ टाइम।
ठीक है। चलो उधर जाओ, उधर जाओ, उधर जाओ। Go to the ping, go to the ping. One D tank mount up and go to their main block. Okay, tell me if they're coming. Whom did you dismount?
लोग आएगा।
Okay. ठीक है, एक को पकड़ो और मारो, इसको पकड़ो और मारो। Dismount and try to catch. One D tank go ahead and check the block. Okay, one D tank go ahead and check the block. Get ready. 5 seconds. I'm gonna engage on him. 5 seconds engaging in 4. Bro, in 3, in 2, in 1. Just engage on top me. Kill this guy. Keep killing. Keep pushing and killing. Stop him.
अंदर घुस गए जोन।
ठीक, कोई नहीं।
एक आउटलो है 6-2 इनका साइड ऑन माय पिन।
Try to fight him. जाने मत दो।
वो क्या तो वहां जाएगा। ऑन माय पिन।
कितने सेकंड का आउटलो है?
ये 1.5 मिनट का आउटलो है।
ठीक है, अब मैं कट कर रहा हूँ। इनका टेरी कहाँ पे है भाई? आसपास है क्या? लॉन्च करते हैं कल। हाँ, कल इनको बुलाएंगे ना। ठीक है, चलो नेक्स्ट जोन में जाके इन पे लॉन्च करते हैं ना भाई। चलो रुक जाओ, थोड़ी देर रुक जाओ। लेट देम डीम अस। हाँ, तो कल वो भी आएंगे ना अपने साथ। प्लेइंग गॉड वाले भी आएंगे। वीडी कम हीलर। ओके, कम एज हीलर। अभी रुक के रहो। हाँ ठीक है।
वो इनफर्नल को फॉलो करो ना भाई। तुम क्यों आ रहे हो इस तरह बेंच?
वहाँ पे पिंग तो यही था ना।
फाइटर केस पिंग कर रहा है, वो कहाँ पिंग कर रहा है? ये
एंट्रेंस की तरफ जा रहा है।
still has outlaw, yeah. Okay, on the ping, catch this guy.
They're coming back.
वापस आ रहे हैं तो keep coming south to the ferry. सब लोग आ रहे हैं तो keep coming south. Okay, they went back to bank I think. Keep coming south. Go near the ferry, yeah. Keep going to the ferry. Let them come. Evade them to the ferry.
बैनर का हम कर नहीं सकते।
No, just come to the ferry first.
बहुत सारे लोग हैं डिसाइड के
Fine,
Yeah,
keep
the
coming.
banner will be destroyed if somebody doesn't pick it up. I interacted with the banner, so it will destroy it अगर कोई interact नहीं।
7 मिनट है
रहने
भाई।
दो, बैनर अंदर लाने दो, टेरी का अंदर लाने दो। अभी तो फाइट करेंगे।
Yeah, they picked up.
ओके, टेरी के अंदर जाओ, टेरी के अंदर चलो उनको।
हाँ, go inside the ferry and look from southeast, south side में देखो। There's a wall. There's a gate.
आउट कर रहा हूँ, मेरे को वैसे भी आ रहा हूँ मैं। वो टेरी साइड आ रहा है।
ठीक. Okay, fine. Okay, they're dismounted. Okay, go inside the ferry. Sub, everybody move inside the ferry. Stay inside. आगे बाहर से भी चाहिए कर सकते हो, ठीक है? Stay inside the ferry. Close the gate, huh? Now close the gate.
Yeah, gates too.
Where they attacking from?
They're coming from northeast. They're at the northeast gate dismounted. They're killing guards here.
Okay, fine. Hold. Don't get engaged. They are full brawlies by the way, huh? They're full brawlies.
Yeah, full brawl.
हाँ, fine. Get ready. Just hold over here. Just keep checking their comm. GA get ready, yeah?
Okay, one of their healer, Virtuoso, has a hammer and he's hitting the gate. I think we can one-shot him.
Okay, hold. Get ready. I'm gonna engage. Yeah, I'm gonna engage east. Okay? I'm gonna engage east. Do we have fake engage? Where? Which side? वहाँ पे. Okay, fine. Get ready. I'm gonna engage on the gate. Engaging in 5. Engaging on the gate in 4. Engaging in 3. Engaging in 2. Engaging in 1 on the gate. Everybody on the gate. Kill this one. Bro, very slow damage, bro. Use soldier helmet. Now stay back and reset. Reset.
सब
Okay. Bro, Astral use कर रहे हैं तो demons get ready. Okay, when they use Astral, just demons get ready. Health बताते रहना मेरे को gate का. ठीक है?
नॉर्थ साइड हिलर अटैक कर रहा है। हिलर अटैक कर रहा है नॉर्थ साइड।
ठीक है, fine. I'm gonna catch. Yeah, I'm gonna catch them. Fine. Just stay here. Get ready. Very soon I'm gonna catch. Okay, very soon I'm gonna catch. Just stay here. Engage is up, right? Okay.
अपने
Get
में
ready.
से
I'm gonna.
किसके पे हैमर
I'm
है?
gonna.
अपने में
नहीं,
से
okay,
किसके
I'm
पे
gonna
है?
fake. This is not an engage. I'm gonna fake. This is fake. This is fake. This is fake. This is fake. Okay, I'm gonna engage on that one target. I'm gonna mark him. Okay, I'm marking him. Okay, I'm gonna engage with my W. Get ready. Engaging on the target in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Just engage on him. Engage on him. Engage on him. Perma engage. Perma engage. Bro, it's 2-5, bro. 2-5. Fine, that is.
Halal,
Engage.
just
Doesn't engage
I'll
with.
stun, I'll stun before the engage. Just give me a
Okay,
3
watch out.
seconds,
Watch
okay?
out. Yeah, fine. Okay. Just hold.
लीड पे गया लीड पे गया
Gate at 50%, gate at
Guard room on
50%.
mute. Guard room, yeah, fine. Gate 50%, right? Okay, fine. So as soon as gate breaks, right? You see southwest, right? You go there, okay? Keep telling me the health. Get ready. Yeah, I'm gonna engage on the gate. I'm gonna engage down on the gate. Engaging in 5, engaging in 4, engaging in 3, engaging in 2, engaging in 1. On top me. Engage on top me. More damage. Now go back. Demons. Yeah, you can kill the Astral with demons, bro. Just hold there. Again, I'm gonna. Okay, fine. Come up. कितना health है gate का? Get ready. Watch out. Just.
इनकी गया
Yeah, they have a massive
Yeah,
out of the
right.
fucking gate,
Demons,
bro. I can't come in.
Now don't go out of the gate. Get ready. I'm gonna look again. Northeast. Looking northeast. Okay, I'm gonna fake. My fake will be the real engage. कौन है? Asmodex ना? Fine. Get ready. I'm looking northeast. I'm gonna fake. Don't engage with me. Okay, don't engage with me. This is fake. Don't engage with me. Let them counter.
Get टूटने वाला है.
They're gonna counter. Okay, let them counter. Now they're gonna counter. Let them counter. Okay, hold. Get ready. I'm looking northeast. Engaging northeast in 5, in 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast on top me. Big club. Kill this. Oh my god. Bro, very slow damage, bro. Where's Pierces? Where's Realm Breaker? Where's Carving? Okay, how much health?
वेरी वेल हाँ लीजिए
कितना है भाई? Get ready. I'm looking east. I'm gonna look east. हाँ,
ये है ना ब्रोड में भाई सारे के सारे
हाँ मालूम है।
होंगे भाई अभी
हाँ, आने देंगे ना भाई, तो फ्री में इंगेज तो कर ही सकते हैं ना ऐसे। गेट का हेल्थ बताओ, how much is the health? How do you check?
If there is no crystal, it's 20% left.
यार
Okay, fine.
कुछ है
उठने वाला है एवरीबडी, ठीक है। कम अप गो अप एवरीबडी गो अप। कितना हेल्थ है परसेंटेज में देख सकते हो क्या? ओके, कम अप गेट इट्स फाइन। कीप कमिंग अप, डोंट गो अप, जस्ट stay here.
तुम जब फेक एंगेज कर रहे हो तब परमा मर के फिर assassin के साथ नेचर केस में करे क्या?
अगर कर सकते तो ठीक है। 20 सेकंड इंगेज है ना इसलिए।
I'll take my hammer लेके आओ।
डी टैंक्स तुम लोग सब एक जगह हो भाई, देख के। कम अप, जस्ट कम अप।
हाँ किंग की हैमर लेके आई हूँ।
मैं आ
count
जाऊंगा
करना
office
चाह रहे
में,
हैं।
मैं इनवेज हूँ।
They'll try to counter.
वापस चला जा अपन सेकंड फ्लोर पे
पीछे
जाते
जाओ
सेकंड
अंदर
फ्लोर
जाओ।
come inside Ibran, come inside.
मुझे ना देखना इनका कूलर कौन है
नीचे मत रहो। ठीक है, मूव अप एवरीबॉडी स्टार्ट मूविंग अप।
ये बंदा है
Start moving
कूलर
up.
हारी
ठीक स्टार्ट मूविंग अप
मुझे कर दे अगर इसे वो कर सकता हो तो मार
कौन है कौन?
हारिंग
एक मिनट, हरी है। ओके,
अरे ये ना शुरू में ही विल की
मैं इनमें कॉलिंग है नहीं भाई वैसे। ओके, कम अप एवरीबॉडी, कम अप, गेट रेडी, दे गोना ट्राई टू कैच यू। कम अप एवरीबॉडी, कम अप, get ready. I'm looking on the same target with the shield. Okay, same target with the shield, engaging on the same target. Northeast. Okay, just hold. The guy is a healer, bro. Engaging on him in 5, in 4, in 3. Let him come in 2, in 1. Just engage on him. Try to engage on him with perma. Engage. Anything? Okay, go back. They have demons as well. Okay, keep going back, keep staying back. Okay, watch out.
उसके मेले हैं तो उसके ऊपर नहीं जा सकते कुछ भी।
हम लोग ऐसा भी नहीं है भाई, हम लोग के पास है ना कार्विंग, स्पिरिट हंटर है। कार्विंग नहीं तो स्पिरिट है, परमा है, रेल्म है। ओके, हाँ।
Answer don't go out, bro. They're blocking the gate with the battle mount, so you can't click in some.
Okay, can you pull off perma engage? I'm not gonna go. Huh? You just
Shakti
pull off
reset
perma
the
engage.
battle mount. Shakti reset the battle mount.
Hold, we're gonna hit on the same guy. I've marked. Okay, let
ये
him.
मरेंगे भाई अगर हम थोड़ा सा होल्ड करें ना ये मोब से ही मर जाएंगे साले
हाँ,
I will
भाई
engage the healer,
mage से मर जाएंगे। हाँ, fine. They'll die to mage. जब ये ऊपर आएंगे ना, we'll have to play full defensive, okay? We only counter. Just hold over, hold over, hold over.
देखिए यो
Okay, get ready. I'm marking the target. We gotta pull perma engage on him, okay? I've marked that target. Get ready. Just pull. भाई बहुत जल्दी हो गया, थोड़ा टाइम तो दो. ये look at their guard runes bro. हर engage पे guard rune आता है, ऐसे ही आना चाहिए हम लोग का. Just watch. Okay, watch out.
Hellfire bomb, Hellfire bomb.
मेरे परमा रेडी है
ठीक है, hold on. I'm gonna place the target. Don't worry. I'm gonna place the target. Okay, get ready. On that shield, okay? Yeah, engaging in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Just engage right now. Engage right now. Keep killing. Try to kill.
डैमेज ही नहीं कर रहा है
लाइट करो तुम
All out, okay? Their ballista is low, but the ballista is targeting our back now.
Fine. You just dismount and reset. Hold. Get ready. Target, okay? I'm going to call. ठीक है, real storm. Don't call. Let me call. हाँ, get ready. On that shield. I've marked the shield. Get ready. Engaging on the shield. Bro, अभी बॉक मत करो यार, fighter case. Get ready. Engaging on the shield in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. On the shield right now. On the shield. More damage. Bro, fast. Be fast. Now come back and reset. Watch out. Defensive right now. Defensive. Demons. When I say defensive, that's now get ready. Again on the same shield. Okay, we're gonna engage on the same shield. Engaging in fast. Okay. Engage up है ना? Okay.
Yes.
Engaging on the same shield in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. With perma. Engage on perma. Engage. Keep engaging. Pick up. Keep engaging. Kill one at least. Bro, what the fuck, bro? Infernals भी करते तो वहाँ लग जाता. Come back now. Come back. Demons, bro. Demon, drop demon. Demon and come. Keep coming back. Too late over there. Okay, come up. Stay up. Come up. Everybody come up. We go west. Everybody come up. We go west. West. Now from here, how do we play? We only play kidnap and engage. Okay, we only play kidnap and engage. That is, we're gonna pull them to our mage. Okay? Mage does hell lot of damage. They can't survive that. Okay?
शक्ति outlaw reset कर portal वापस भाग.
Okay, fine. Who all died, regear and come. If you died, regear and come. Okay? Anybody in party 2? Hello? How many people in party 2?
No, I don't think we have a party.
8
We have 8 people. Okay,
Only
fine.
Asmodex size.
Anybody in party 2 can... yeah, fine. Anybody in party 2 can go GA. Exmodex, can you go GA?
I am healer
outlaw है तो ये पैरी में खड़ा रहे, फिर आर बैक कर दिया यहाँ से.
Come back. Get ready. ठीक है. शक्ति GA. पर शक्ति गिल्ड में नहीं है ना भाई, अंदर नहीं जिंदा रह पाएगा. Stay back. गिल्ड में ठीक है, कम GA. Okay, watch out. Let them encroach up. Let them hide. Nice. This is the thing. What we have to do. Okay. Let the mage attack. Just hold. Keep staying back. If you have defenses, then only encroach up. Yeah. Keep killing the mage. Get ready. I'm gonna engage east very soon. Okay. Big crump east. Okay. Get ready. Just nice fake. Get ready. Engaging east in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. On top of me. Big crump. Kill this. Now go back. Everybody go back. Go back. Defensives and go back. Oh my god. Seriously, bro? Defensive नहीं है क्या तुम लोग के पास? Keep going back. Healers को भी आते हैं क्लब में भाई. Healers को heal करो, demons push करो. Stay back and play defensive. I'll have to play this one. Yeah, I'm gonna regear and come. Just hold. Regear and come. Good learning lesson for me. Just regear and come. Stay always behind the mage, okay? Stay behind.
वो आउट करेंगे ये करने की उसमें है भाई हर बार.
भाई कैसे मर गए?
लगते भाई.
हम लोग के पास कितने oath keepers है ना? Even oath keepers, bro. You can keep dropping your E if you see people are low. Use it for that as well.
उनका जगरनॉट आ रहा. जगरनॉट लिस्ट है.
I just spread. Okay, their engage is Juggernaut. Okay, Juggernaut compress कर रहा है. You know, next time. Just drop demons. Okay, just drop demons.
आगे क्या करेंगे क्या?
Keep dying. I don't die. Okay, I'm the map. That's all.
Keep healing the mage.
King died. Watch out, bro. King regen and come.
7-3 डोनेशन ले लिया भाई what the fuck
अपने को सिर्फ वेट करना है मोमेंट पर
Just hold. Yeah, I'm here. Okay, come back west, come back west and find me on the pig, find me on the pig. Find me on the pig, yeah.
Halal, I think you should only engage on their engages, bro. We get caught up while we are engaging and we got wiped.
So see, for that now, my
engage.
watch out, stay here and try to kidnap. Stay here and try to kidnap Warlord. Just keep killing and keep going back. Nice kidnap. Yeah, keep kidnapping. Now watch out, they're gonna counter. Keep coming back. Come back now. After that, come back. Keep spamming Judies, okay? Keep spamming Judies over here. Now I'm gonna drop my Judy. Don't drop. Stay here. And guard room, there should be one guard room always. And where I am, okay? Keep coming here. I'm gonna mark their collar. Keep going west. Watch out. Keep going west. Okay, they're gonna engage. Assassin engage. Keep coming back. Defensive. Demons. And get ready to counter on top of me. Engaging in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On top of me. Engage on top of me. Kill this one at least, bro. Kill one. Now go back. Everybody go back. Bang, go back. Get ready. Defensive. Demons. Defensive. Keep going back. Heals on me, bro. Keep healing. Bro, healers, bro. You have to save the tanks. Otherwise, everybody will die. You have to save the tanks, okay? Your Qs and W orb, that's enough. Now come back. Let them engage. Keep coming back. Keep coming back. Defensive. Get into counter southeast. In 5, in 4, 3, 2, 1. On top of me. Just engage on top of me. Big club, please engage on top of me. Kill this now. Go back fast. Go back fast. Keep going back. He heals on me, bro. He heals on me. Hello. Heals. Keep going back and heals. Nice. Keep coming back. Reset. Everybody reset. Watch out for the bomb. Reset. Everybody reset. Come back and heal everybody. Healers, you have to be on your toes. Okay, you have to be on your toes. Stay here. Just stay here.
Halal, next engage, I'm gonna go to their back line and might armor them into the main mage. You engage on the main
Exactly.
mage.
Do that. The more you keep them in the mage, mage is our main damage. Okay, watch out. Defensive. Get ready. Gonna engage on top of me. In this one guy. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just perma engage on him. Now come back. It's fine. Just come back. Keep healing the mage. It's fine. Stay back. And keep healing the tanks, bro. Get ready. I'm gonna engage on this one guy on top of me. Get ready. This Broly on top of me. In 5. Just hold. Let him go back. After that, I'm gonna engage on him. Okay? Just spread over here. Try to find people who are low. You see the people are getting low. Try to stun them. I'm gonna fast engage on them. Okay? Just stay here. This is how we gonna play. Just stay here. Come up and stay here. Let the mage do the damage. Okay? I'm not. Where's Ansel, bro? Where's my people in my party? You guys have to come, bro. We need everything right now. Do we have Spirit Hunter right now? Yes or no?
जा रहे वो बाहर गए
भाग गए
भाग रहे?
देयर बॉम्बर है देयर सोलो बॉम्बर है तेरे सोलो बॉम्बर में जाना कर गए
इनका एस्ट्रल लुक एट दिस एस्ट्रल
They're waiting.
Come south. They're waiting. Come south. Everybody come south.
kill this astral bro
Okay, fine. Come south. Watch out. They're gonna try to engage. Keep coming south. Everybody's coming now. Keep going. Move up. Everybody move up. Stay here. Just move up. Yeah, stay inside and spread. Okay, stay inside and spread.
Kill the mage. Don't forget to heal. Keep healing.
Just stay here.
Just keep healing.
They're coming now. Get ready. Go west. We go west. Okay. Get ready. You're gonna try to engage on people who are isolated. Okay. We're gonna engage on people who are isolated. Just stay here. Spread. You keep watching east side. Okay. The people who are isolated. You're gonna try to engage on them. Qs and Ws get ready. Let them engage. Okay. Let them engage. The defenses get ready. Just get ready. Get ready. They're gonna engage anytime now. Keep just stay here. Get ready. I'm looking east on top. Engaging on this 1D tank. In 3, in 2, in 1. Just engage on top. Engage on top me. On top me. More damage. Now go back. Everybody go back. Defensives and go back. Keep moving back. Keep moving back. Why are just 2 healers, bro? Where are the rest of the healers? VD come as healer, bro. VD come as healer. Beast Recon is the healer, right? In second party. नहीं कर सकते भाई, वो एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं कि तुम मेज पे एंगेज करो और वो काउंटर करेंगे, वो पूरा डैमेज नहीं दे रहे हैं। हम लोग 2 बार किए, उस पे मर जा रहे हैं। हाँ तो मेज के पीछे ही हम लोग, मेज के पीछे रहो। वी कम फ्रॉम नॉर्थ एंड सर्कल्स एंड देन एंगेज। डिफेंसेस गेट रेडी, डिफेंसेस गेट रेडी। एंगेजिंग साउथ ईस्ट ऑन टॉप इन 5 4 3 2 1 on top me. Just engage on top me. Try to engage on top me. Now go back, go back, go back, go back, go back. Very late engage, very late engage. Keep going back. This is C. They're gonna counter right away. Keep coming back, keep coming back. Help Grim Reaper, help Grim Reaper. Keep coming back. Good job, good job, good job. Get it, defensive, 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 defensive. Now walk up, walk up. There no walk up, walk up, walk up. Pull down them, and push them east. Push them east. Get ready. Engaging 5, engaging east in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. On kill this, kill this, kill this, kill this, kill this. Nice. Now go back. Now go. Get ready and come back, come back, come back, come back, come back. We killed her. Come back, come back, come back. Heal them. Get ready to defend. Get ready to defend. Keep coming back. Keep coming back. Nice. Finally. Killed like 4 to 5 in this show. See, this is what we have to do. Just mage ka wait karo. Let the mage kill them. Let the mage kill them. Come back. Come back up. Come back up. Come back up. Yes, fine. Come back up. Come back up. Come back up. Come back up. Everybody come back up. Watch out. Watch out. Just spread over here. Spread over here. Spread over here. Bro, you need to regear and count people. Bro, I have just 15 people in my party.
Yes, we
Seriously.
need healers back. We need healers back. We only have healers. Please, please.
Please don't be afraid.
Just stay here. Just stay here. Okay, spread over here. Spread over here. Spread over here. Spread over here. Watch out, watch out. They're gonna come for an engage. They're gonna come for the engage. They're gonna come for the engage. Just stay here, stay here, stay here. Same thing we do, okay? Same thing we do. See, clear comms, clear comms. जब वो मेज पे engage करते हैं ना, clear comms, tanks, उनको root करो मेज के सामने, ठीक है? Don't let them kite back. Mage बहुत damage करेगा. After mage does that, we full engage, okay? You understood, right? So just stay here, stay here, stay here. Okay, fine. Qs and Ws on the battle mount. Qs and Ws on the battle mount. Qs and Ws on the battle mount while he's inside us. Okay, get ready. They're gonna engage any time now. Tanks, you just stay for the engages. Flanks में रहो, ठीक है? Help king, help king, help king. King watch out. Qs and Ws on their battle mode. Okay, watch out. They're coming for an engage out. Okay, they're coming for an engage. That's an engage. Defensive, defensive, defensive. Demon and defensive. Demon and defensive. Now get ready to counter them. Get ready to counter them. In southeast, in 5, in 4, in 3, engaging in 2, engaging in 1 top, on top, victim on top, victim on top. Kill this, kill this, kill this, kill this, kill this, kill this. Kill this. Keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing. They're dying. Keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing. It is green here. Now go back, go back. Everybody come back. Everybody come back. It's fine. Everybody come back. Everybody come back. Everybody come back. Keep coming back, keep coming back, watch out, keep coming back and watch out, keep coming back and watch out, keep coming back, keep coming back, keep coming back, keep coming back. Stay back, stay back, stay back, stay back, just stay.
Their healer died. 2 of their healers died.
अपने पास टैंक सफिशिएंट है तो मैं हीलर स्विच कर सकता। आई हैव अ गियर।
नहीं, tanks are never sufficient. Just stay. Come back and stay. Okay, they're gonna come. Keep coming south, keep coming south.
रेड ओसी करवा दे, रेड ओसी करवा दे।
They're gonna go. They
No,
don't have
no.
enough healers.
Bro, they still have? How much disarray do they have? Come back, walk out. They have 11 disarray, everybody come back. Don't chase them, we can't chase them.
फोर्ट इतनी दूर है क्या? ये वाला फोर्ट भाई इधर वो हीलर लीगर करके आ जाएंगे भाई, उनके कौन है?
ठीक है, आने दो भाई, हमारे पास भी 2 ही हीलर है। एवरीबॉडी कम वेस्ट, माउंट अप, कम वेस्ट।
ये अपना वो
लूट डिपो करके आओ,
चलेगा। अगर उन्हें भागना होता ना, फ्लैग उठा के नहीं भागते, मेरे से लूट ले लो कोई।
Okay, they're coming.
ठीक है, बॉस कम बैक, डोंट डाई, स्टे बैक। मैं वर्ड सेव कर रहा हूं, मेरा लैग कर रहा है अभी। जस्ट स्टे बैक, कम अप ब्रो, डोंट डाई ओवर देयर। Anster bro, who told you to scout bro? Come back. Don't die. Is Anster dying? What?
No, he's doing fine. He'll come back.
अबे भाई कोई
Bro,
लूट
what is
रखा
that
भाई
build bro, Anster? Why are you trolling? Hello?
पंडित जी को दे दे, पंडित जी को दे दे।
ठीक है
पंडित जी लूट ले ले।
मेरे बैंक में लूट ले ले।
लूट डिपो करके आओ, जिसके पास है।
पंडित जी को दे दे। अरे डिपो नहीं है, उसको दे बैटल में।
मेरा 4.4 एस हो ना किसी पे, टूलता भेजना बाद में।
Okay, they're mounted up. No, I think they're waiting for their healers. I think they're waiting.
Let them wait bro. Let our healers come as well bro. Where are our healers? Hello? We have 4 healers, right? Okay, whom am I missing? Yogi, Kirito, are you coming?
I'm in this. I'm in Terry in this.
Okay, fine. I need more tanks, bro. I need more stoppages. Tanks with knight armors. Okay, you just hold them and push them.
Keep healing the healer. Keep healing the mage. Repealing
Fine.
the
I need a D-tank. You keep using your knight armors to stop them and push them to the mage, okay? And second thing, bro, उनका भी engage clap ही आ रहा है, ठीक है? One knight armor can stop all the engage. I'm not seeing
भाई
knight
मैंने
armor.
तुझे कही थी उनके उस टाइम मार कर दे टैंक को, वही ले रहा भाई एंगेज।
मैं मार्क किया था भाई, मार्क किया था उसको।
नहीं हुआ।
Hero is your new GM.
Okay, their healers are back. Their healer actually
Okay,
came
fine.
back.
Everybody come up and stay here. Come up and stay here. We have 10 disarray as well, so it's fine. Party 2 में how many people?
9.
भाई मैं रेड उसी करना है कि कैसे।
ये कौन है भाई? EFGM?
अरे वो तो चाह रहे हैं भाई, हीटर दे यार थोड़ा सा।
Who's Ninja, bro? Ninja, you have to speak first. What are you playing? Tell me your build.
Ninja
They're shitters.
ओए
They don't
रेड
understand
उसी
disarray.
करवाते
They're
हैं
shitters.
अगर भी आ रहे हैं तो
They need people.
लीव कर रहे हैं, ठीक है।
Okay, they left. They're not gonna fight anymore. They abandoned the banner and left.
Okay, good job, mount up. Chalo, that was the idea of a Terry fight. Engages were coming slow, but because of